What is up, everybody? It's Court from Cody Media. I help restaurant owners get butts in seats with digital marketing. If you're thinking about, or if you've ever run a contest or a giveaway on your restaurant social media page, and you're just not really getting a response, there may be some little mistakes you're making and once you improve it, you could make a big difference. So I want you to open your mind and think about a new way of running contests or giveaway on social media. So the first mistake I see almost everybody makes is they make it way too complicated. Okay, so typically giveaways or contests, they say, okay, to enter to win, you have to like this post, you have to like our page, you have to share it, you have to tag it, you have to do all these million different things. Okay, number one, who's going to enforce that, or who's going to track that? Who from your staff is going to go through and look at all those people and say, did they do all these different things? Number two, people are lazy. It is hard to get anybody to do one little thing on social media. So to ask them to do several different things is really, really, really tough. So you've got to make it simple. You've got to make it stupid simple. So for example, this is a giveaway that I am doing on my Eats page right now for a restaurant. And instead of asking for a million things, we're doing one simple thing. We're right here. Can you see it? We're saying, tell us what your favorite item from the menu is. And then we give them 4 options. So all they have to do is comment with one thing. We're not asking them to do a million things. We're saying comment, I know it's hard to see, comment with your favorite menu item. So keep it simple. Okay, number 2 is usually there's only one winner. Okay, you have all these people that enter the contest or the giveaway, but only one person wins. Well, think about it. Once those people enter a contest or a giveaway, they're gone. But what if you could capture their information? What if you could get their contact information so you could send them offers over and over again? Back when I was a kid, what would you do? You would write it on a piece of paper to enter it and you put it in the box, right? And they have all that information. But what if you could do the same thing as a restaurant owner? If you could collect all that information? Well, what we do when we run contests and giveaways is everybody who comments, and this is the simple comment, what they do, and here is, well, I'll come back to that in a second, but when they comment, we're sending them into Facebook Messenger. And inside of Facebook Messenger, we're asking for their email address and their phone number, okay? That's so we can contact them again. We're building a database, all right? So everybody gets a prize. Everybody gets like a consolation prize. So we still have a one big winner. If you can see here, we have a $25 gift card and 2 entrees. But then everybody who enters is getting a BOGO meal. So everybody's a winner, right? We have one grand prize, but then everybody wins something. So the number 3 problem is most contests and giveaways don't actually generate dollars. They don't actually get butts in seats, all right? That's what you need right now is you need butts in seats. So what we do is when we give this voucher, it's an incentive for somebody to come in and try you. And if you check this, say here, I haven't been there yet, but all the pictures look wonderful. My friends and I are looking for new places. Now people have a offer and they have a reason to come in and spend money. So what have you done in a giveaway? You've kept it super simple so more people are going to want to enter, okay? You're gonna get more involvement, okay? And Facebook loves that. They love to see engagement. You're giving everybody something, okay, in exchange for their data, and you're getting them in the door, okay? Most contests don't do that. Most giveaways don't do any of those things, all right? So just think about contests and giveaways in a new way. So if you're interested in doing this, we set up 5 people last month and we're rocking and rolling with the giveaways. I've got spots for 2 more people, 2 more restaurants that we're going to set up in February. If you're interested, 1 month, no cost on your end. All you would have to pay is Facebook ads as little as $5 to $10 a day for a week or 2. That's it. And we can get you up and rolling and do a giveaway just like this. Like I said, 5 people from the group have already gotten rolling with it. So let me know if you have any questions. Happy to chat. I will talk to y'all soon. Thanks, guys.